21 आणि 22 सप्टेंबराक मडगावच्या होली स्पिरिट इगर्जेंतल्या जेजूच्या आणि सायबीण मायच्या आल्तारार सुर्याची किरणां झळकली. ह्या प्रसंगाक साक्ष दिवपाक कितल्याशाच लोकांनी इगर्जे कडेन गर्दी केल्ली. आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
This phenomena of the equinox appears in this Church of the Holy Spirit on 21st September and 22nd September. On 21st, it appears exactly on the image of the Holy Spirit, and on 22nd, it goes up to the image of the Holy Crucifix. Then we have again in April, on 22nd of April, the same phenomena, but more brighter than during this time when there are more clouds around. And therefore many people who came here were a little disappointed after seeing that. They want to see a little more. And the clouds appear there and block the sun. This church is built scientifically by the Jesuits. And therefore this is a phenomena which they have in mind. So a lot of Jesuits had studied more than we priests here in Goa. And they were of the highest order. They were architects there, they were scientists among them. If you have them here in Goa, already in the 16th, 17th centuries. And they designed, this is the fifth church, which they designed in a manner where the sun rays would come and strike the middle altar and stop at the Holy Spirit. This is the only church in Goa where we have. There is also a temple right in Fatorda where during the morning from the east side, the rays fall exactly on the linga which is there. And here in our church, it is in the late in the evening from the western side.